Hi, today we are going to learn how to create conversational flows with Engati's no-code flow builder. Once you log into the portal, you will be able to see the list of bots created. If you haven't created a bot yet, click on Create a Bot. You can either create a bot from the template or you can create a blank bot canvas. Navigate to the Builder section. Here, you find some pre-configured paths. Path is a conversational flow designed for the chatbot. Welcome new user. This is the flow that new users starts from when they interact with the chatbot for the very first time. Greet returning user. A returning user will begin a chat with this flow. Default message. The default message path is triggered when the bot isn't able to answer a question it isn't trained for. Post resolution. Once a live chat agent on your team marks a query as resolved, this is the flow that is triggered. Agent unavailable. If the live chat agent is unavailable, this path will be triggered. With the menu on the top, you can edit, copy, mark the path as available for the agents, test and delete the paths. Default paths cannot be deleted. To create a new path, click on Add button, add a path name and click on Create Path. Each path consists of nodes. Nodes are the building blocks for conversational flow being designed. The various types of nodes provided include display information nodes, data input nodes, process and flow nodes, and integration nodes. To start with, in the welcome new user flow, you can first add a greeting message. This message can be added using the display information node. After the greeting message, you might want to ask users to select one of the options. Explore about your product and service, contact us, etc. Now before the user proceeds, you can ask the user to enter their details. These details can be collected via the data input nodes. You can use the request user data node and collect user information. To proceed, you can now take the user to the main menu path that you have created. You can use the process and flow node. Trigger a path to route the user to the main menu path. Other processing nodes include transfer to agent, decision, script node, etc. Depending on the user journey, you can create a user journey. To integrate with CRMs, ticketing systems, or other tools, Engati supports a range of integrations natively. To test the flows you've created, you can click on Test Path for the flow. Alternatively, you can go to Deployment, Website, select Deployment Type as Direct Link and click on the link.